Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Next you have to enter System section. Go to the Backup. Enable this backup to Google Drive feature. Then you have to add account, your Google account. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, tap Accept here. Then tap OK. And as you can see, now your device is ready to be backupped. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.